I'm in the dang thing.
Who gets a deer? Me or the dog?
I'm in the dang boom booth.
I can't think again.
By the... Oh, wait.
Gyro initialized.
So you see the ambulance drive by? Woo,
woo, Bam-a-lam. Bam-a-lam. Bam, bam, bam. One's pretty, one's ugly, but they both fly wonderful. I gotta get rid of that white exhaust. It doesn't look right. Really? It's a more reflective color than that. Yeah. It's just a weird color.
When it's flying.
Well, it probably looks good, I'm sure. What the heck? Where'd that come from? Yeah, but it never happens. Flying like a net. Whoa, the wind just rolled me. On it? Okay. I gotta try to catch up to and stay there. Going up with you. You're good. God, I love these planes. Look at that. Gotta get the same one you got. Or switch back to my lemon. I'll let you.
I love it how rock solid it is.
It's good. That's how it used to be with the lemon.
Time remaining 1 minute.
How much altitude we gained just like that. Alright, I'm on a terminal velocity dive here. Full speed. Going up.
Holy shit.
30 seconds.
Dude, that battery is badass. Shot up like a freaking rocket. These new 65C. Coming in. I'm landing no flaps, but I'm coming. I'm all the way at the end. You did the same thing I did. Woo! I held it. It's a good flight. That new 65C pack. Woo! Thing's a rocket again.
I love this plane. That gyro is
Oh look, I started peeling off new paint.
They screwed up my
They have an open house in Fresno. We gotta go and take yours. Yeah, because they have the real one there.
picture with a real.
Yeah,
a big-
they'd let
Can
you
I
do
just
it.
put my-
They would, seriously.